Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Answer Me TV. For those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by smashing the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my updates.
The arrival of President Emmerson Mnangagwa at the Elephant Hills Hotel for the 57th Plenary Assembly Session of the Southern African Development Community (SADC) Parliamentary Forum in Victoria Falls in 2025 marked a significant moment in regional diplomacy. This event not only underscored Zimbabwe's role as a host nation but also highlighted the importance of collaborative governance within SADC member states. The selection of Victoria Falls, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, served to symbolize both natural beauty and the potential for economic growth through tourism and international cooperation. During this assembly, leaders from various countries convened to discuss pressing issues such as economic resilience and climate change. President Mnangagwa's participation was pivotal as he emphasized Zimbabwe's commitment to regional integration and development. His address resonated with themes of unity and collective action against common challenges faced by Southern African nations. Furthermore, it provided an opportunity for dialogue on enhancing legislative frameworks that support sustainable development goals across the region.